Hey there, beauty lovers. Ever had the desire for flawless nails without the hassle of glue or the mess that usually comes with press-ons? Well, I'm excited to share a product that might just change the way you think about at-home manicures. Meet the Olive and June Classic Super Stick Mani Press-On Nails in this gorgeous Tutu Pastel Pink. These press-ons promise a mess-free, damage-free, and completely glue-free experience with non-toxic adhesive tabs. It's as simple as that. No glue, no fuss, just salon-quality nails at home. But do they really deliver? Let's dive in and find out. When you open the box, you're greeted with everything you need for a professional quality mani. 32 press-on nails in 16 sizes, an adhesive tab system that promises to make application easier, a nail file, buffer, prep pad, cuticle pusher, and detailed instructions. So whether you're a seasoned press-on pro or a total beginner, this kit ensures that you have the tools to create a perfect manicure in minutes. The first thing I noticed was the variety of sizes included. These nails are designed to fit more nail shapes and sizes, which is great because one size does not fit all. The inclusion of 16 different sizes means you're more likely to find the perfect fit, which is key to making these look as natural as possible. In my experience, this attention to sizing really sets Olive and June apart from other brands, where one size can often feel too big or too small. Now let's talk about the application process. First off, no glue is required, which is a huge plus for anyone who's hesitant about long-term damage or just doesn't want to deal with the mess of traditional nail glue. The adhesive tabs are easy to use and stick securely without leaving any residue behind. I was honestly impressed with how well they stayed on through daily tasks. No lifting, no sliding around. I tested these nails for about 5 days in total, and while they didn't quite last the full 7 days as claimed, I did notice that they were holding strong through everything I put them through. I washed dishes, typed away at my keyboard, and even did some gardening. By the 5th day, they were still holding up, though I did notice a slight chip on one nail after a few hours of rough use. But considering the ease of removal, it wasn't a big deal. When you're done with your mani, removal is simple. Just pull them off with no damage to your natural nails. This is a big win for anyone who likes to switch up their look often. The Olive and June Super Stick Mani Nails are definitely not your average press-ons. The non-toxic adhesive tabs make them easy to remove and leave your nails damage-free, which is a huge plus. They provide a solid 7 days of wear, but it does depend on how much wear and tear your nails are exposed to. Now let's go over the pros and cons. Pros: no glue, no mess. The adhesive tabs make the application simple and fast. Variety of sizes. Perfect for different nail shapes and sizes, ensuring a natural fit. Damage-free removal. Easy to take off without any harm to your natural nails. Long-lasting wear. I got about 5 days of wear, and that's still pretty impressive for press-ons. Cons: limited wear time. The full 7 days wasn't quite realistic for me. They might be best for a shorter-term, event-specific wear rather than long-term. Potential for chipping. As with most press-ons, if you're hard on your nails, you might experience some chipping. In terms of value for money, at around $12, I do think you're getting a great deal. The product delivers on its promise of an easy, mess-free manicure with no glue or damage, and it's significantly cheaper than most salon visits. For those who love to switch up their nails without the commitment, it's a solid option. However, if you're looking for something with a bit more longevity or a more traditional salon experience, this may not be your best fit. Now, if you're looking for something similar, but potentially at a lower price point, there are plenty of other press-on brands, but none that offer the same easy, non-toxic adhesive system. However, if you're okay with a little less variety in size or the removal process isn't as gentle, there are options around the same price that also do the job. In conclusion, these press-on nails by Olive and June are a fantastic option for anyone looking for a quick, non-toxic, no-glue mani with a chic finish. The fit, the ease of use, and the damage-free removal are what really sold me. Though they didn't last the full 7 days, they still held up better than most press-ons I've tried. Final verdict? Would I recommend them? Absolutely, especially for those who like to change their nails frequently or want a damage-free, no-fuss option. If you're in the market for a salon-style look with minimal effort and maximum ease, the Olive & June Classic Super Stick Mani Nails are a great choice. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the link in the description box if you want to try these nails for yourself. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.